Generation methods. There are 3 generation methods that can be used in a LINQ query. These are range, repeat, and empty. In the next videos I will explain these methods. But before that, let's understand what does generation mean. Generation is the process of creating new sequences of data, based on certain rules or patterns. This can be useful when you need to generate data for testing or simulation purposes, or when you need to create sequences that follow a specific pattern. For example, to create a sequence of integers we can use the method range. As output, we get a collection of integers, which we can use to do specific steps. Or the method repeat, to repeat a specified element a specified number of times. We mostly use these methods to find specific kind of numbers, like prime numbers, Fibonacci numbers, even numbers, etc. In summary, we don't have data and we want to create data. In this case, we use a generation method. As output, we get a new sequence of data. We can use this data to do another steps. This is what do generation methods mean.